Hello sir, we're in the PA28 and it's a very windy day, and we've done that on purpose to try and push my limits as to what I can manage, because as up to now I've been flying on relatively good days. So off we go.
Hey, prop! Where have I put the key?
1 hour later.
Right, left, berth, start. One production.
Okay, so we've just found out that the gyro suction is not functioning today, so that's quite exciting. So that means we've got no artificial horizon. So we're going to carry on and have some fun in these windy conditions.
Uh, 17 knots in a westerly direction.
Okay, so we've got 17 knots pretty much straight down the runway, so we haven't got too much of a crosswind, but it's a little bit bumpy, so off we go. Left and right.
Radio, good morning.
Golf Whiskey Sierra taking off runway 28. It's go time! Airspeed is alive. And we're airborne. 60 knots. .200 feet. Flaps coming up. Temperatures and pressures are still in the green. 70 knots. Freedom Radio, Golf Whiskey Sierra, downwind for a touch and go, runway 28. Golf Whiskey Sierra, final touch and go, runway 28. Okay, 70 knots.
Soft Whiskey lining up 28.
Bit choppy, but good. Woo! Golf Whiskey Sierra, downwind for a touch and go, runway 28. Golf Whiskey Sierra, final for a touch and go, runway 28. Okay, 60 knots. That's good for us. Whoa. Come on. 500 feet, just coming over the trees. What?
Golf Whiskey Sierra, final to land, runway 28.
Ooh, it's going to be a choppy on this one. Airspeed in the right arc, flaps 2. Okay, got a stable approach, full flaps. Lovely. Mixture, cutoff. Magnetos off, keys out. Master off.